Hey there. Today, I'm going to show you how to start affiliate marketing with absolutely no money. That's right, you heard me, $0. So, what is affiliate marketing, you ask? Well, it's a type of marketing where you promote other people's products and earn a commission on any sales made. Sounds pretty sweet, right? But wait, before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's talk about why you should even bother with affiliate marketing in the first place. For starters, it's a great way to make some extra cash. You don't need to have your own product, you don't need to handle any customer service, and you don't even need to ship anything out. All you need to do is promote someone else's product and collect your commission. It's like getting paid to be a hype man, woman for someone else's stuff. Now, let's get into the good stuff. How do you start affiliate marketing with no money? Step 1. Choose your niche. The first thing you need to do is decide what you want to promote. You want to find a niche that you're passionate about and that you have some knowledge in. This will make it easier for you to create content and promote products that you actually believe in. For example, if you're a fitness enthusiast, you could promote fitness equipment or supplements. Or, if you're into fashion, you could promote clothing or accessories. The possibilities are endless. Step 2. Find affiliate programs. Once you've chosen your niche, it's time to find affiliate programs. There are a ton of affiliate programs out there, but not all of them are created equal. You want to find ones that are reputable, have a good commission rate, and offer products that align with your niche. Some popular affiliate programs include Amazon Associates, ShareASale, and ClickBank. But there are plenty of others out there, so do some research and find ones that work for you. Step 3. Create content. Now that you have your niche and your affiliate program, it's time to create some content. This can be in the form of blog posts, videos, social media posts, or any other type of content that you enjoy creating. The key is to create content that is valuable to your audience and promotes your affiliate products in a natural way. For example, if you're promoting fitness equipment, you could create a video demonstrating how to use the equipment or write a blog post reviewing different types of equipment. Just remember to disclose that you're using affiliate links and be transparent with your audience. Step 4. Promote your content. Now that you have your content, it's time to promote it. This can be done through social media, email marketing, or any other method that works for you. The key is to get your content in front of as many people as possible. One great way to do this is by leveraging social media platforms like Instagram, Twitter, or Facebook. Use relevant hashtags, engage with your audience, and share your content in relevant groups. Step 5. Rinse and repeat. Finally, it's important to remember that affiliate marketing is a long game. It takes time to build an audience, create content, and start seeing results. But if you stick with it and continue to create valuable content, you can start earning some serious cash. So, there you have it, folks. A quick and dirty guide to starting affiliate marketing with no money. Remember to choose a niche you're passionate about, find reputable affiliate programs, create valuable content, and promote it like crazy. And most importantly, have fun with it. Thanks for tuning into this video, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments section below. Now, let's talk about some common mistakes that people make when starting out with affiliate marketing. Mistake 1. Promoting too many products. One of the biggest mistakes that new affiliate marketers make is promoting too many products. It's tempting to want to promote as many products as possible to maximize your earnings, but this can actually hurt your chances of success. Instead, focus on a few high-quality products that align with your niche and create valuable content around them. This will help you establish yourself as an authority in your niche and build trust with your audience. Mistake 2. Not disclosing affiliate links. Another common mistake is not disclosing affiliate links. It's important to be transparent with your audience and let them know that you're using affiliate links to promote products. This will build trust and help you avoid any legal issues. Mistake 3. Not tracking your results. Finally, it's important to track your results and see what's working and what's not. This will help you refine your strategy and improve your chances of success. Use tools like Google Analytics or your affiliate program's dashboard to track your clicks, conversions, and earnings. So, there you have it, folks. A quick guide to some common mistakes to avoid when starting out with affiliate marketing. In conclusion, affiliate marketing is a great way to make some extra cash, and you don't need to spend a dime to get started. Just remember to choose a niche you're passionate about, find reputable affiliate programs, create valuable content, and promote it like crazy. And most importantly, have fun with it. Thanks for tuning into this video, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments section below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more content like this. Until next time, stay strong. Check out recommended training on how to start affiliate marketing business fast using a link in the first pinned comment below.